ay graduate lang naman ng AV Political Science.
Wow!
Palakpakan niyo po si Kuya. Kaya kayo kids dapat mag-aral sa mabuti. And of course, meron po kami, showbiz din po kami. Meron po kami usher. Ayan po ang usher ng Tubig sa Pare. Absent po si Piolo at yun po ang aming Justin Pepper. Ng Sapan. Justin Boy, okay? So as you can see, they're still wearing their traditional clothing called bahag para po ma-preserve nila yung culture nila at indigenous group of young Filipinos. By the way, they are from Botolan tribe po in Zambales. And bago pa po dumating ang mga Americans and converted the forest into their military facility, nandito na po sila. And yung kanila pong grandparents, nagturo po sa mga Americans how to survive in the jungle. Okay, I hope you're ready for their first traditional dance. This is the Dragonfly Dance or Sayaw ng Tutubig. So before po, wala pa po electricity or television, ang mga Aita brothers, they rely on the movement of the animals around them. Kapag nakakakita po sila ng maraming tutubi or dragonflies there, naniniwala po sila that a strong typhoon or parating na po ang rainy season.
Inasayaw nila.
Ayan, palakpakan niyo po si Kuya Greg. Sir, sabi ng konti po kasi papanahin po nila yung punong yan.
Nakaw! Mapasali ka!
Okay, get ready with your cameras. Here comes Jessie Boy for their hunting dance.
Oh, pagpanin
Or their hunting dance. Because our Aita brothers believe that no other animal in the civic forest can match the skills of the monkey in terms of hunting and foraging. Ayan na po. Jessie, ito is also agile and flexible our Aita brothers are. Wow, galing si Kuya Jessie. At alam ko po sa dating miyembro ng Akelman. Sir, na-try niyo daw, sir? Kailangan po nakabahan. Okay, and finally, they will perform po their war dance, also known as sayaw ng pagbabayan. Before po, bago po sila mag-engage into a tribal war na hindi po naiiwasan, magsasayaw po sila ng kanilang war dance. Tapos yung mga elders for mga nakatatanda will choose among these young men kung sino na po yung best performer, best dancer, siya po ang best warrior, and they will be sent to the tribal war. So they are using real bows and arrows. The bow is called Bari and the arrow is called Yaw. And of course, again po, this ritual is a means of selection. So kung sino po yung magaling or pinakamagaling na pag-perform, siya po ang ipapadala doon sa tribal war.
Wow!
Okay, so palakpakan niyo po ang ating mga brothers.